Welcome aboard, Fly Boys and Sky Gals. Now for a safe flight. Remain seated with your safety belt fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the rocket machine. And for Pete's sake, watch your children, please.
Esta es la torre de control. Bienvenidos a bordo. Las condiciones son favorables para un vuelo seguro. Favor de permanecer sentados con su cinturón de seguridad ajustado y las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro de la nave. Oh, por favor, vigilen a sus niños. Golden Zephyr, autorizado para despegar.
Golden Zephyr. Have a real humdinger of a flight.
Response stop, enjoy your flight.
Sound dirty at all? Is anyone on this one? Oh yeah, like two people. Yeah, breezy. This bit of the fucking dead, isn't it?
Thanks for flying the Golden Zephyr.